Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare VYOND with TOONLY. The first thing I'm going to share with you is what I actually think about both of the softwares and what are the main differences. Then I'm going to compare pricing plans, like which one is cheaper, and then I'm going to show you the features, like how we can customize your characters, can you customize your characters, and what kind of scenes you can choose, etc. So let's start. So the biggest difference between VYOND and TOONLY is that TOONLY is a software that you need to download and install on your computer or Mac or notebook. On the other hand, VYOND is a web-based application that you can use anywhere when you have access to the internet. The one huge advantage TOONLY has over VYOND is that you can use it offline. So let's say that I have a notebook and I'm going to be an airport and I'm not going to have good Wi-Fi there. What I can do is to simply open a notebook and start using the software. So that's huge. Now, when we go further, the second big difference is that with a VYOND, you can also create whiteboard animation. So this is a huge thing, only because if you want to combine whiteboard animation with, let's say, the cartoon explainer video, because with the TOONLY, you can only create the cartoon explainer video. You can do more and achieve more with the VYOND. So this is something that you should definitely keep in mind. Now, to go further to the pricing plans, I'm going to compare the annual one. So first thing first, the Essential in VYOND is really bad, only because the VYOND logo will be imprinted in the bottom left of each video. Then we have a Premium and Professional. Premium is like really great. Professional is good if you want to have a theme. So $649. A single user plan for literally everything. And the one thing that I like about VYOND, as I mentioned, that you can combine it with a whiteboard animation and also the cartoon explainer videos, and I will show you more like benefits to the VYOND. On the other hand, with the TOONLY, you're gonna have Enterprise. That's $40, so that's $480 that you would pay. But it's really important to say one thing. With the VYOND, you have free trial. You can actually test it out by yourself. You don't have to add any cart. You don't have to do it. On the other hand, with the TOONLY, you need to buy the product to try the product, but then you have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So with the VYOND, you have free trial, but with the TOONLY, you don't. You need to buy the product, and that's why I recommend like don't go to annual version with TOONLY. Go with the standard version first to test the program if you like it, if you want to choose it, if you're okay how it actually works. And with the VYOND, you can start a free trial. But yes, TOONLY is cheaper comparing to VYOND, but the VYOND you can achieve more also with the whiteboard and etc. I will show you. So these are like the pricing plans. So VYOND is cheaper. I mean, VYOND is more expensive, but maybe you will have more features. And let's compare the features now. So let's say that I'm going to use VYOND. How it works? I'm going to click add a scene here, choose a template, and now I have option to choose from the categories here like finance, etc. Then I have contemporary like catering, charts and data, comparison, animations, concept, ending, farming, or I can create whiteboard animation, which like CS, catering, charts, concept, education, like plenty of categories that you can use. Like let's say I'm going to use finance, and I'm going to choose ATM lining up. Okay, now I'm going to preview it, how it looks like. And let's wait for a while. Okay, and they wait here. Let's click exit preview. Some of them are also like animated straight away. These are not, but that's what you can also achieve. On TOONLY, on the other hand, I come here to scenes, and I can see all the scenes here. Yeah, you have seen it all, but what you can do when you would come here to the TOONLY, you got more pre-made scenes, 10 to 20, but again, VYOND got more scenes that you can like have pre-made it. So, okay, I'm going to choose office here, and I have it right here, so I'm going to delete this one here, and delete this one. So I'll just create a new scene here and office. So the one thing that I like more about VYOND is that they have more categories that you can choose from. Let's say that I would use a finance category. They got whiteboard animation and they got just more scenes. So from the scenes perspective, VYOND is winning. They got also in TOONLY, they animated. Yes, you can have it, but you can have it still also with VYOND too. Now let's go to the characters. And what do I think about the characters? I'm going to delete this one here. The first thing first, a huge thing is that you can create directly a new character in VYOND. In a TOONLY, when I come here to characters, I'm unable to do that. And I'm unable to actually create a character in TOONLY straight away. I can choose from plenty of characters they have, but this is a huge thing I think that VYOND has, is that let's say I'm going to create a new character, save and go. Let me show you. So I got business friendly or wildboard animation. To have a contemporary, I need to choose upgrade the profession only. So business friendly. Now select a body type, woman or man. Man, I'm going to choose if it's a child, little bit more thick or no. So like this. And then I can edit the face here. I can edit the hair. So as you can see, it's so damn complex that you can customize. Let's say that you are going to be in the video. So what you could even do, like, this is like super great, I think. Ear, eye, etc. Then you have a top here that you can change. Bottom and accessories. You can add accessories. So as you can see, you can really create the person as much as you want. So I can also change the eyes here. It's super cool, right? And this is how you can edit a character. And click save. And now, when I'm going to characters, I can find it right here that I created. Now, back to your videos. Now, also you can choose between categories here that you have, like stick figure, travel, other professions, sports. And I can find the sports here. So this is how it works. On the other, when you come to TOONLY, yes, you can just choose simply a character and just paste it. You can't really edit it like you can do it in VYOND. So that's something you should definitely keep in mind. Now, so this is another thing that you can create your own character. You can do it in TOONLY. To go further, how we can animate it, what you can do with the animation. So first, I'm going to click action here. And again, I really like that you got straight away, you can see what they're going to do, and you can see actually the design of it. So with the TOONLY, the one thing that I don't really like is that when I'm going to click settings, I need to choose the title, the type here, and I don't know how it's going to look like. So I need to actually like try it out. So okay, driving, I don't know how the driving is going to look like. So okay, we have it right here. But with here, I can clearly see that, okay, I'm making fried rice. Oh, this is how it's going to look like. And I know exactly how it's going to look like. This can save you a lot of time with animations. So that's pretty great. Then you have expressions here. And like about the animation, they got both plenty of animations, but this is something that I like about VYOND. To go further, then I have, let's say I'm going to have angry, or I can simply choose holding paper. And I can choose, like, that's pretty much it what I can do. On the other hand, with a VYOND, I'm going to have expression here, and I can choose plenty of expressions. And direction, if they face camera, or if they should be left or right. Again, this is pretty great. So that's a huge thing. And as you can see, like I would possibly just use VYOND. Just based on this that I shared with you, VYOND is just better in my opinion. Then you have a props here, and again you get like structure of everything, and it's really, I really like the categorization they have. When I come here to the object, again, it's like you need to search for it, but it's the table. Let's say I'm going to find table here, and again, like you can choose between whiteboard, and contemporary or business friendly. Again, so as you can see, they got plenty of good characteristic objects that you can actually use, and I like it. So, but here you don't see many tables. Okay, so what can I tell you? I mean, then you have a text here, same with here, text. You can add a title. Here you can add a title too, but you get more things what you can do with the VYOND. Audios, also you can upload your own audio, you can upload your own audio with the TOONLY, and same with the VYOND. But as you can see, also how the scene works and how we can design the animation and everything. Motion path, and let's say I'm going to choose the line, the curve, the learn, wave, loop, shape, bounce. This is something that you don't really have in TOONLY. And as you can see, like the VYOND is just better comparing to TOONLY. I know it can sound like, it's just like, I wouldn't personally use TOONLY. Just based on this video, I would go with the VYOND. My recommendation is a test the free trial, which one you like more. And yep, thank you very much guys for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.